हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, जय हिंद जय भारत। आई वेलकम you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be telling you about basics of computer, means about computer. So let's begin. Computer's full form is common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. Computer word is derived from the word compute, and compute means to calculate. Computers are smart machines which have been developed by humans. It is an electronic device. It means it works on electricity and has electronic components. So it is an electronic device and it makes our work easier. It requires electricity to run. And computers come in different shapes and size. Today we can see that people use computers at many places, such as at airports, at homes, at railway stations, at shops and malls, at banks, at offices, at schools, at restaurants, at hospitals, at hotels and resorts for doing various kinds of works. Computers are very useful for writing, learning, painting, watching movies, listening songs, designing, etc. Now, if I talk about the types of computers, then all the types of computers have a CPU, a keyboard, a mouse, and a monitor. But all computers are different in their size, cost, and speed. So let's learn about some of them. One type of computer is desktop computer. These computers are kept on desk. They have a separate CPU box, a monitor, a keyboard, mouse, and speakers. All these parts are connected to the CPU. Desktop computers cannot be easily moved or carried away. These computers are also called as personal computers or PC. Second type of computer is laptop computer. These type of computers can be kept on our laps, so they are called laptop computers. They work on battery. They are portable, so they can be easily carried anywhere. These types of computers are also called notebook computers. Third type of computers are palm top computers. These are smaller than laptop computers. We can even keep them in our pocket. They also work on battery. Once the battery is charged, then it can be taken away easily and work can be done. Now let's study comparison between a computer and a person or a human being or a man. A computer is a machine, so it has no feelings, whereas a person is blessed with feelings and emotions. Example: do you love your mother and your father? Do you like your friend? Those all are feelings and emotions. So, human beings have feelings and emotions, but a computer does not have any feeling. Second point is, a computer needs electricity to work, whereas a person or human being can work without electricity. If there is no electricity, then computer cannot work. Laptop and palm top computers have battery, so they can run without electricity, but they need power from battery, and battery needs to be charged when it is discharged. A computer never gets tired or bored even after working for long hours, whereas a person gets tired or bored after working for just a few hours. After studying for half an hour, what do you say to your parents? Mama, I don't want to study because I am getting bored. You say na? So, human beings get tired or bored after working for few hours. A computer can complete long calculations in a fraction of time, whereas a person takes some time for completing calculations. Whenever ma'am or sir gives you something to calculate, then you require some time na, whereas computer can do that calculation part within no time. A computer works with high degree of accuracy, whereas a person can often make mistakes. Sometimes you all would have done one mistake or the other while doing calculations, whereas computer does not make any mistake. A computer never forgets the information stored in its CPU, whereas a person may forget information that he or she has memorized. A computer cannot take decisions on its own, whereas a person or human being can take decisions on their own. A computer cannot work without the instructions of human beings, whereas human beings can work on their own. Computer does not have brain. CPU works as the brain of the computer, whereas human beings are blessed with brains, so they have power to think. Computer works as per the instructions given to it by a person. That's all in this video. In next video, I will tell you uses of a computer. Up till then, keep watching my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.